Before it began, President Obama and I believe that Moldova has a significant opportunity, has already provided a good model for how to transition.
And not just literally this seat in the Senate, but also a seat on the 715 Amtrak train.
Economic policy to grow your economy, to attract foreign investment, train civil society.
Trust the party. Being honored to serve with you. For all recognition.
The sanction of 19 Indian companies. We have seen these reports of US sanctions. India has a robust legal and regulatory framework on strategic trade and non-proliferation controls. We are also a member of 3 key multilateral non-proliferation export control regimes: the Wassenaar Arrangement, the Australia Group, and the Missile Technology Control Regime, and have been effectively implementing relevant UNSC sanctions and UNSC Resolution 1540 on non-proliferation. Our understanding is that the sanctioned transactions and companies are not in violation of Indian laws. Nevertheless, in keeping with India's established non-proliferation credentials, we are working with all the relevant Indian departments and agencies to sensitize Indian companies on applicable export control provisions, as also inform them on new measures being implemented that could impact Indian companies in certain circumstances. Regular strategic trade, export control outreach events for Indian industries and stakeholders are being carried out by agencies of the Government of India. We are also in touch with the US authorities to clarify.
Mr. Prime Minister, before it began, President Obama and I believe